Hello, hello mga ka-Frasers! Kamusta na kayo? Dito kayo ngayon sa Jellystone Park. Magka-camping kami. And dito kami nakasakay sa ride. It's free for all of the campers.
Happy birthday!
And of course, happy birthday to our birthday boy.
Birthday, dear Joel. Happy birthday to you. Awesome. Thank you, everyone. That's correct. And for Boo Boo Bear's part, we get our Boo Boo Bear lips. Yogi has a little friend too. Boo Boo, Boo Boo. Yogi has a little friend too. Boo 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 Bear. Boo 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 Bear. Boo 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 Bear. Boo Bear. Now Yogi Bear gets really. You really want to embarrass Yogi Bear on tonight's hayride? Yeah? Alright, so on the count of three, I want everyone to show Cindy, okay? 1, 2, 3. Cindy! Oh, you guys really embarrassed Yogi Bear tonight. And
Naman yung mga campsite nila, may mga cottage din sila, tsaka mga RV sites. Tapos ito yung mga amenities nila, meron silang golf, meron din silang mining.
Bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, split. Does anyone know Yogi Bear's favorite part of that song? Eating the bananas because
Ang dami
Yogi
talagang
Bear
activities
loves
dito
to
sa
eat.
Yogi Bear. Sulit na sulit ang
I have a few
camping.
activities to
At
highlight
what's
for
most
tomorrow.
important
At
is
15 a.m. we have fantastic
Hindi
pool
malamok.
fishcraft. This is happening right over there at Yogi Pavilion. And at 2:30 p.m. we have
ito naman yung mining cave nila. So, papasok yung mga bata dyan, mingi na ng mga gems. Tapos, madilim sa loob. They
What did you
should
find,
always
Ford?
wear their
Wanna see?
helmets.
Madilim talaga yun. Wanna see, Ford? I got a cork. Cork? What's that? Wala.
Guys, I got a baggie.
I'll carry you. Ah, sige,
Ah,
go.
it's for the photo, for the photo.
Ready? 1, 2. Okay, good.
So, syempre, enjoy na enjoy yung mga bata sa swimming din. Meron silang dalawang pool. Yung isang pool nila merong slide. Tapos, yung isa naman wala. Medyo swimming-swimming lang. Meron din silang splash pad. Tapos, merong mga slides doon. Tapos, may mga water guns, water canyons. Yun, fun din yun. At syempre, hindi naman tayo papahuli, di ba? Kaya ayun, nag-slide na lang. Kasama si 40. Making memories.
Kailangan nakahiga eh.
That's what's
Yung iba
important.
nakahiga, ang bilis eh.
Tapos on our last day, priority kami ng makasakay sa fire truck.
Yogi Bear.
O, diba? Talagang ang saya-saya ni Junjun.
Ford, ako si Yogi.
Wala na masyadong tao kasi weekdays to eh. Kaya, maraming bakante, maraming spaces. Pero I think yung site na yan, more on RVs ang nilalagay nila dyan. Yan, paikot-ikot lang naman kami ng, ng campsite. Pero ang kagandahan lang kasi marami activities.
Nandito po ngayon kung saan natatakot ng isang sunog